In this example, I'm using the TB45-2 as a temperature limiter in a high alarm application, and I have two thermocouples. This is because there is a possibility of a thermocouple wire could become short-circuited, and if that was the case, then the input circuitry of the limiter would see a short circuit and look at the junction of that short circuit, so it would read effectively ambient. It wouldn't be reading the temperature of the process. By having two thermocouples connected into the input of the limiter, should one of those thermocouples short circuit, then there would be a difference between the two thermocouples, and that would be shown on the limiter. So here, for example, I have just a simple application where we've just got some warm water, and I have the two thermocouples connected to it. This is our main measurement thermocouple here. So both the thermocouples are at the same temperature. If I take this thermocouple out, I'm just going to immerse it in cold water, basically just to simulate a short circuit. If I take that out, you see there's the temperature difference and the unit fails. It shows this as being in an alarm condition. E here, exceed. If I put it back in, so it will then reach the same temperature as the other probe, then you can see that we're now back into normal operating condition. And to clear here, clear the exceed, I use an external switch, digital input, to clear it. This requirement of two thermocouples for a temperature limiter application is particularly required for the standard EN 14597, which is the European standard for temperature control devices and temperature limiters. The thermocouples would also have to meet the requirements of EN 14597.